Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off read receipt on Messenger, right? So we'll just open our Messenger mobile application here. If you're not able to find, of course, if you have such option, then search it. And here, once you're here on the top left side corner, you will see the three icon. Just click over there. Now here you have to settings icon, which is on here. We'll just click on this. And here after that, we have to go to the privacy and safety here. And in the bottom what people see, you will find this first option, read receipt. So just click on there and you can just turn this off. So in this way you can just turn this off, or whether you want to turn it on, you can just turn it from here. So it's very easy guys, and you can just back and you can use it. So I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.